I've just received information that the Maharashtra government has formed a high-level committee to probe allegations of phone tapping during the Devendra Fadnavis regime. Congress leader Nana Patole alleging that his phone was illegally tapped during the tenure of the Fadnavis government. Kamlesh Sutar joins us live from Mumbai tonight with more information on this. When was this investigation ordered? What does this high-level probe committee hope to achieve, and by when?
Nana Patole has raised this issue in the recent monsoon assembly session, Rahul, and it was then announced that it will be soon probed. And today, a GR in this regard was issued, and a committee has been formed. A high-level committee under the DG of Maharashtra will be probing this matter. With the state CID chief will also be a member of the probe committee. But what it means politically, there are two aspects to it, Rahul. One, whether there were any political calls of politicians that were tapped without permission or with some wrong intent. Now that is one of the terms of references of this committee. Now secondly, what this also means is that during this period there were also allegations, Rahul, if you remember, during the entire Parambir Singh saga, the Rashmi Shukla chapter took place, and even then questions were raised that some calls were illegally tapped. Now the tenure of the probe will be calls that were, whether there were calls tapped between the period of 2015 and 2019, and even during that Rashmi Shukla episode also comes into the purview of this committee. Now whether this will be in a way linked to the Parambir Singh probe, and will the state government try to, in a way, she was also being probed, if you remember, the team had gone to Hyderabad to probe Rashmi Shukla. Now whether this angle will also be included will be very interesting to watch, and there will be a political angle to it, not just Nana Patole, but will there be more names that will be added? That will be very interesting to watch.
So thanks, Kamlesh. We'll come back for more details later. We'll see what this probe committee throws up.